3 tips for business owners that are at a crossroad. They have passion, but they're at a crossroad, and the crossroad's not good. Ben?
It's always a challenge at the crossroad. You need to speak to someone. It's in your head. You've got all the ideas. Obviously, you've probably written them down, but you've played over all the scenarios, but how do you know which one's going to work out? So, you've got to be around people that have done it before. I do believe, whether it's Stefan or someone else, I do believe that every business needs a mentor. I really do believe it. It was something that I wasn't open to start with. I was like, well, what do we need one for? We're going well, everything's going well. But we're at the crossroads at that time, and Emma opened up my eyes to it and said, let's just go and give this a chance. And obviously meeting Stefan just helped us take that next step in our business that we needed to do, just the clarity that come from that.